Welcome Nord Angus students, and in this tutorial we're going to look at producing a racing game using Kodoo. And for this tutorial we're going to be exploring the use of input controls for controlling a character on the screen, and we're going to explore the use of sensors to make things happen if a condition is met. So let's have a look at Kodoo. And we're going to create a new world. So we're going to click new world and go to blank screen, and I'm going to click on the icon at the bottom for adding or deleting a ground. So I'm going to delete with the right mouse button like so, and then we're going to select again. We're going to choose a different color. So I'm going to click on the top left corner and let's choose one of these. I could use either the arrow keys to select different ones. I'm going to select this one here, and I'm going to create a little racetrack like so. At the end of my track, I then want to put a finish line, so a different color, like so. And so this is going to be my finish line. And now at the start, I'm going to add 2 characters. And we're going to go to the more, and I will set cycle. So I've got one here. If I hover over, I can choose the color. So for this one, it's going to be white. I'm going to add another one, the same type this time, but this time I want it to be green. So I've got one white, one green. I'm going to hover over the white one. I'm going to go to program, and I will say when the keyboard is pressed, and I need to select what buttons or what I'm going to press to the keyboard. So I'm going to say when the arrows are pressed, then I want to say do, and I want to say move. And I can change this to move quickly or move slowly if I would like. So this will move around the screen. Then I'll say when, down here, I will say when click on more, when on land, because it's going to be on land here, type, I need to then choose when I click on the end point, which will be this one here. When on the end point, then I want it then to say the end of the game. So the game means I win, and I'm going to say that for this one, this is going to be the white. I'm going to do the same for the next one, but this time it will be the computer. So when, more, always, I will say move, on path, I'll say quickly, and I'll say path, and I'll say red because it'll be a red path. I haven't drawn the path yet. And again, I'll do over here, when, more, on land, and again, types, again the endpoint, do, game, win, and I'll then have color. This time, this is for the green one, so I'm going to look for green. And the final part, I need to draw my red path, so I will set the path, like so. And if you need to change the path at any point, I can just change it with the arrows. So this is a red one. And it will go around. When it gets to the end, press escape. And then let's test it. Oh, we're behind the green one. There we are. Let's see if we can overtake. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching.